My name is Francisca Alonso, and I am the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. Now, let's dive in. What does this process look like? The design-build process can be broken down into 6 simple steps. It starts with master planning, then moves into concept phase, then design development, construction cost, the permit phase, and then the construction phase. In the master planning phase, we consider the entire picture of your home. So even if you're not going to do the pool on this round or the guest house, we like to know about it so that we plan for it and we put it on the drawings and we specify that it could be for the future, but it's part of the master plan of your home. In the concept phase, we use your custom spaces wish list and our 3D modeling technology to create the first model of your home. The purpose of the design development phase is to select all the materials that make up your home, from windows to roofing to siding, brick. I know it's a long list. At the end of the phase, we take all these selections that we collaborated on and we put them into this digital lookbook. The construction cost phase is about developing a fixed construction cost for the project. We have the 3D model that gives us the visuals. We have the selections lookbook that gives us all the specifications. So now all we have to do is put it together and deliver a fixed construction cost. This number will not change unless you increase scope or make major design changes. The permitting process phase is the one that we have the least control of in terms of timeline. And that is because we are at the mercy of the jurisdiction where we are building. However, rest assured, we do have a team of permit expediters that help us facilitate this process so that we can get our permits as soon as possible. In the construction phase, we provide a single point of accountability and responsibility for our clients throughout the entire project. You actually get to see your home being built week by week, month by month. It's super exciting.